We will talk about indexing in strings. Now each character in a string is having its position value in the form of an integer, and this is called index. Say for example, if the string is within double quotes, I love Maggie. Of course everybody loves Maggie nowadays. Well, you see, the beginning index value is 0 and increases while moving left to right in the string. So I am just writing like this. So I space love space Maggie. Now space is also included. It is important. Space takes a character, although you are unable to see this, but you will have to treat this as an empty character over here. So if I start numbering the characters, then see, this is 0 character, I space character 1, L is in second character, 3, 4, 5, again second empty space has index 6, okay, and so on. So string is I love Maggie, I am writing like this. Now strings have negative index also, which start from -1. So -1 you start from the last one like this, and starts from the last character of the string and thus reduces negatively. So we can have both the possibilities. Both are possible. Either you start with 0 from the extreme left, or you start with -1 from the extreme right and move forward. I think it's the first one is the better one, the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 approach. Well, it's up to you. Well, so the character L has an index what? 2 as well as -10. See, L has index 2 because this I has index having 0, empty space 1, L is 2. And if I start from the last one, I, this is -1, so L is what? -10. Right. Now we can print the first character of the string str by giving the following command. So let me first write string is I love Maggie, and next str0, and the output will be what? The output will be str0 is I. Okay. This is very interesting. See, I have just written over here the string is I love Maggie within double quotes, then I am writing str0, and let me see the result. The answer is I. Now if I do again str, let me do 4, what will be the result? The result is V. Let me see if this is correct or not. See over here, I 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, V. So yay, we are good. Next, let me write again str 10. What's the result? G. See, the index 10 has value over here storing G. Okay. Now you see, again negative indexes will also work. So let me try to find the value of str -6. See, the result is empty space. Indeed, as there is empty space over here. So students, I wish you best of luck in your journey of Python.